In front of me is REALME Narzo 35G, and let me show you how to hide your caller ID on this device. So at first just open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and select Settings. Here click on Call and Accounts and pick on Carrier Call Settings. Here select Additional Settings, and then tap on Owner's Number. And you can smoothly hide it by selecting Hide Number, and from now on it will be hidden in all outgoing calls. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.